In today's video, we will be showing you future cargo transportation projects. Transportation is greatly essential in today's modern age, and we will definitely need drastic development for cargo transports in the future. Keep on watching this video to see these amazing future cargo transportation projects you don't want to miss. Number 1. Hyperport. A new age in cargo transportation is being introduced. Airplane speed Hyperloop integrated ports that are effective and autonomous at shipping charges, transporting containers in seconds rather than hours over distances of hundreds of kilometers. This significantly lowers traffic, pollution, and footprint. Port relocation and reclaiming important waterfront property resistant to all types of weather. 2,800 containers per day are transported on a single line system. A revolutionary, completely interconnected, sustainable method for balanced logistics continent-wide trade. This method of cargo transportation ushers in an era marked by dependability, rapidity, and sustainability. Number 2. Next future transportation. The difficulties of last-mile delivery are being overcome by next future transportation. Next, a fully integrated logistics system completes the workflow environments, warehouse optimization techniques, and merchants and manufacturers who use 3PLs. The company's specialized modular platform is built to be adaptable and expandable for a variety of applications, and it smoothly connects with diverse fleets of autonomous mobile robots. Individual pods automatically join to form a fleet after the warehouse loading process is complete, which has the advantage of minimizing traffic footprint and overall congestion. Unlike other companies, Nexus fleet could either be driven by a person or automatically. En route, items are independently shifted between cars to maximize delivery based on client proximity thanks to their unique vehicle operating system, which guarantees safe and secure movement on public roadways. The open interior of the vehicle may dynamically change to fit various use cases, which is a key way in which the concept varies fundamentally from conventional e-shuttles and autonomous ground vehicles. Customers will value the more usability and flexibility, while retailers will gain from increased control and lower delivery costs. Next vehicles also act as moving package carriers. Number 3. Wartzilla Future Shipping. Additionally, the Finnish business Wartzilla shared their outlook on the direction of the shipping sector. They emphasize two trends: a rise in the need of alternative energy on a worldwide scale and tougher environmental regulations. They developed this notion, which has several intriguing ideas after taking them into consideration. In a nutshell, here are the major points. Along the roads, zero distribution centers, which are man-made islands, must be constructed. They will be required to operate solar and wind power systems. The ships could be improved by having a production facility on board. This strategy may prove to be quite beneficial in the long run. For instance, coffee beans can be prepared for sale at the port by processing them during the voyage. Because all worldwide operators have access to the same data, Lidos, a single digital tool, will be used by all operators. No goods will be transported between container ships. Number 4. Einride. The Swedish business Einride is pursuing comparable objectives. Since their project involves remote control of several pieces of machinery, operators will take the place of drivers. The company currently has 3 automobiles available. The pod is a small variant that can go up to 12 miles per hour and transports typical cargo containers. The trailer is a multi-purpose module with a 404-mile range on a single charge. The truck, the largest vehicle in the range, is capable of transporting 52,911 pounds of freight. Number 5. YARA Birkeland. By the way, the Kongsberg Technology Group's initiatives will also transform how cargo are transported to ports. The group has its headquarters in Norway and is presenting the YARA Birkeland project. It is the first autonomous, totally electric container ship in the world. It has successfully completed its first 44-mile voyage from Horten to Oslo after starting with the blueprints. The initiative received plaudits from even the Norwegian Prime Minister, and full commercial operations are expected to begin in 2022. The container ship can travel at a top speed of 17 miles per hour and can carry roughly 12,000 20-foot equivalent units. The engineers also put in place a remote-controlled loading and unloading system and an autonomous mooring system. Number 6. Race Transport Rig. This futuristic vehicle with images of contemporary metropolitan settings was featured on the ArtStation website as evidence that concept designers are keeping up with trends. Although it has a UFO-like appearance, we think that some of its functions will be utilized in the future based on the concept. It will be operated remotely or with the aid of an autopilot system. Nonetheless, it's odd that the tractor unit has 3 exhales while the trailer has just 1, but it's enormous. According to the images, this method can be effective for carrying both vehicles and any necessary spare parts and supplies for their owners. Due to the portions rising upwards, the 2 tractor units can be used as a sort of exhibition platform in addition to simplifying actions like parking and entering hangars. Number 7. Nuva V300. Deliveries made by drones are the future of air travel. This fad suggests the use of drones in other kinds of commercial aircraft, and the pandemic has fueled its growth. You are viewing the Nuva V300, a Slovenian project that combines the benefits of an airplane and a drone. It is able to vertically take off and land. It features a cargo space that is 106 cubic feet in size and a payload capacity of up to 992 pounds. It can travel up to 1,553 miles in one charge and moves at a speed of 137 miles per hour. The drone's running costs are 10 times lower than those of a helicopter, while it can fly independently and has ground control available if needed. Number 8. DDC Condor. Another business that specializes in drones is Drone Delivery Canada. Customers have the option to buy drones and fully integrate them into a range of businesses, from mining to medicine. There are options to organize delivery in remote or difficult-to-reach locations. For instance, the Condor drone can travel at 75 miles per hour while carrying up to 400 pounds. The model is compatible with the proprietary DDC flight system and is built to handle big volume bulk shipments. The control center in Toronto keeps track of every aircraft around the clock. The drone has a maximum flight range of 124 miles. Number 9. Amazon Scout. Scout, a devoted delivery robot from Amazon. The Amazon Scout is thousands of miles into its trip as it moves more into the states of the future. The all-electric robot with 6 wheels moves to avoid obstacles and distinguish distinct objects at a pace of roughly walking. This is accomplished by a built-in radar, several sensors, and numerous front and back cameras. Since the body is waterproof, rain is also not a problem. Although Amazon staff accompanied the initial models during testing, the idea suggests a completely autonomous delivery. The pandemic has made this option more significant, but there are rules prohibiting the use of fully automated devices in public settings, at least in the US. This could impede the development and adoption of delivery robots. Number 10. YQNLINK. Since the cost of logistics represents around 18% of China's GDP, it is only natural that China is likewise interested in new logistics technology. The scope of the job is fairly broad because the nation is also home to 9 of the 50 largest ports in the globe. The Chinese company YQNLINK, which has been creating one of the top digital platforms for logistics, came up with this idea. The ambitious goal of the Chinese is to make shipping as simple as purchasing an airline ticket. An intelligent system is being created for this purpose. It provides the finest delivery choice after getting crucial information. The current location and status of the equipment, together with all the links in the logistics chain, will all be accessible. Additionally, the system would notify users about potential delays and provide a different path. Number 11. CargoCube. Although the introduction of this type of technology will undoubtedly take time and be gradual, businesses want to make money quickly. This issue is what the startup CargoCube, which provides a futuristic shipping container solution, aims to resolve. In actuality, the CargoCube serves as an intermediary offering to handle the shipping and storage of customers' products. CargoCube employs passenger technology, and every step of the process is optimized to deliver exceptional service at a low price. For instance, removing a container from the truck and transporting it to the unloading location. A single person may unload it and put it back on the truck. The storage problems might be resolved best by a person and the modular architecture of the containers. The business claims these and additional advantages cut down transportation expenses by roughly 45%. Number 12. Volvo Vera. Giant manufacturers are also developing novel concepts. For instance, Volvo created the Volvo Vera, a vehicle that is a part of the concept for a future transportation system that includes autonomous and environmentally friendly transportation. The Volvo Vera is a transportation solution for regular routes. For instance, in manufacturing, airports, and warehouses. There is a control tower that manages the vehicle. It can move up to 70,548 pounds of cargo at speeds of roughly 25 miles per hour. The Volvo Vera is now part of an integrated system to transport shipping from the logistics center to the port terminal in Gothenburg, Sweden, in partnership with the logistics firm DFDS. Volvo predicts that autonomous low-noise cars will be crucial to logistics in the future and will be advantageous for both enterprises and society when it comes to air travel. And that completes our video for today. We hope you enjoyed learning the possibilities of cargo transportation in the future. Which of them are you most excited about? Tell us in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content such as this.